Unleash your creativity and craft a stunning website in minutes with Lovable, the intuitive platform designed for everyone. First, let's dive into the Lovable dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with a clean and organized workspace to begin your website journey. We'll start by selecting a template. Browse through the diverse library of professionally designed templates, catering to various niches and styles. Consider what best suits your brand or personal vision. Found the perfect starting point. Awesome. Click to select it. This will load your chosen template into the editor, ready for customization. Now, the magic truly begins. Lovable's intuitive drag-and-drop interface means you can easily add, remove, and rearrange elements without a single line of code. Simply click on an element, like a text box or an image, and drag it to your desired location on the page. Need to add a new section? Explore the Add Element panel, which offers everything from headings and buttons to galleries and forms. To edit existing content, just double-click on any text or image. You'll find user-friendly formatting tools right at your fingertips, allowing you to adjust fonts, colors, sizes, and even add captivating animations for images. You can upload your own or select from Lovable's stock library. Responsiveness is key in today's digital world. Lovable automatically ensures your website looks fantastic on all device desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can preview your site on different screen sizes right within the editor to see how it adapts. Don't forget to explore Lovable's powerful features for enhancing functionality. Integrate social media feeds, add contact forms, or even set up an e-commerce store. Each element comes with its own customization options to fine-tune its behavior and appearance. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Publish button, and Lovable will guide you through assigning the domain name or using a Lovable subdomain. Congratulations, your engaging online presence is now live.